number 1 for Justin Emmanuel Mendoza from Agri Department, Josh Edgar Baltazar from Nursing Provision, and Mr. Rick Allen from PS from the Ancillary Department. Josh Edgar Baltazar.
Mahirap magulo ko dito, yung suot niya. Yan ang marunong ko. He is wearing inspired with the Holy Spirit. And our candidates and all of us, a former candidate of Mr. Bay Point, Mr. Robbie Gonzalez.
Hindi ko maintindihan ang iyong mga tingin, labis na mga tingin. Bakit ay bumaba, bumababa wala ang talaan. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo nakakalaman pa.
So, magiging matino ako. May letter T pa talaga yung Edgar mo?
Meron.
Talaga. Yun lang, hindi ako pwede magloko. Okay, Edgar, pwede kang sumagot in Tagalog, pwede din English, pero English yung question natin, no? Pero pwede kang sumagot in any, and you have 1 minute to answer. Relax ka lang, tapos sagot ka lang kung ano yung nasa puso mo. If you could describe Bay Point using 1 meaningful word, what word would it be and why? Again, if you could describe Bay Point using 1 meaningful word, what word would it be and why? Timer starts now.
If I would describe Bay Point in 1 word, I would describe it altruism, because we nurses and we all medical professionals do our work without we do our work or any expecting prices or return from our patients. So I know we medical professionals will do our best to provide better quality care to each patient who trusted us, who trusted Bay Point to admit, and who trusted all the medical professionals. Thank you.
The talent for Mr. Bay Point is none other than Mr. Josh Edgar.